Hello, hello, my dear viewers, my well-wishers, my participants, and those who regularly see or watch my video for WBCS Preli examination and also for West Bengal School Service Commission Group C and D are being requested to watch the video from top to bottom or from the very beginning to the end without skipping a single word, only because preposition or the use of preposition is the part and parcel of these two examinations. Remember it. Hello, my dear students, you see that preposition is a word which cannot be avoided in a sentence, and without preposition you cannot clear the meaning of a sentence. For example, I have a pen. The pen is in my pocket. So in is the preposition. Now when in is omitted, there should be no meaning of the sentence. Clear? This is the Android set, and this Android set is on the table. That means I have kept it on the table. If I omit on, there should not be any meaning of the sentence or cannot be any meaning of the sentence. So pre means before and position means situation or condition. The word that precedes either a noun or a pronoun and makes a cordial relation with the other words of the sentence is called preposition. In Bengali, it is called পদান্বয়ী অব্যয়। প্রিপোজিশন তাহলে কাকে বলে? প্রিপোজিশন হলো সেই শব্দ যা নাউন বা প্রোনাউনের পূর্বে অবস্থান করে ওই বাক্যের নাউন বা প্রোনাউনটির সাথে অন্যান্য শব্দগুলির সম্বন্ধ বুঝিয়ে দেয়, তাকেই আমরা বলি প্রিপোজিশন। প্রি মানে পূর্বে, পজিশন মানে অবস্থান। Clear? Before your examination, I am using bilingual method only for your advantage. Thanking all of you. You know that there are so many prepositions, and the name of the preposition is actually called appropriate preposition, because you will have to use preposition appropriately in a sentence. Clear? For example, I have given you options. You see, only for your WBCS preliminary 25 marks allotted, and West Bengal School Service Commission Group C and D, there you will get 10 marks in English. Those who are graduates are eligible dash for to in at the post. So eligible for. What is the meaning of eligible for? Eligible for meaning যোগ্য. Eligible for. Clear? His proposal is adverse dash in, at, to, for my interest. Here interest means স্বার্থ। তার প্রস্তাব আমার স্বার্থের পরিপন্থী। Clear? His proposal is adverse to. All these are very important prepositions I have picked up because your exams are already on your threshold. Clear? Alice looked into, on, for the rabbit hole. I have taken the sentence from Alice in Wonderland. Alice looked dash in, into, on, for the rabbit hole. Clear? So when the action is from outside to inside, you must use into. He jumped into the river. Clear? The goat jumped into the well. So here into. Looked into. কারণ অ্যালিসের কাজটা ওপর থেকে নিচে. Looked into. Nobody can prevent him dash for from in by smoking. কেউই তাকে ধূমপান থেকে বিরত রাখতে পারবে না. This is the Bengali meaning. So nobody can prevent him from. To prevent a person from. Clear? I have hardly any chance in, on, for, at getting the loan. আমার কোনো সুযোগ নেই বললেই চলে কর্জ বা ধারটা পাবো বলে. So I have hardly any chance in getting the loan because in is preposition and getting is gerund. Preposition plus gerund. When ing word follows a preposition, it is gerund, preposition plus gerund. In getting the loan. I have no faith dash on, in, at, for what you say. তুমি যা বলো তাতে আমার কোনো আস্থা নেই, কোনো বিশ্বাস নেই. Clear? So I have no faith in what you say. Actually, the use of preposition entirely depends upon your sense, your knowledge, and your perception of the surrounding. Clear? The bird is sitting on the tree. The bird is sitting in the tree. Both are correct. But when the bird is visible on the tree and the bird is not visible in the tree. Clear? He was satisfied dash at, in, for, with what he got. সে যা পেয়েছিল তাতেই খুব সন্তুষ্ট. Clear? Satisfied with. He is confident of, for, in, at his success. তার সফলতা বা সাফল্য নিয়ে সে খুব দৃঢ় ছিল. So he is confident of his success. Clear? Now question number 9. He acted in accordance dash to, with, for, at my suggestion. সে আমার সাজেশন অনুসারে, আমার উপদেশ অনুসারে সে কাজ করেছিল. So you see that according to, but in accordance with, it is phrase preposition or prepositional phrase. In accordance with. Remember it. According to, but in accordance with. Number 10. On, at, in, for. Hearing the news, he fainted. I have already mentioned preposition plus gerund. So on hearing the news, he fainted. খবরটা পেয়ে সে অজ্ঞান হয়ে গেল, মূর্ছা গেল. Clear? Question number 11. Your remark is derogatory dash for, to, in, at my prestige. তোমার মন্তব্যটা আমার সম্মানের পক্ষে হানিকর. Derogatory to. Derogatory to my prestige. So I have given you in this video 11 prepositions. You see, eligible for, adverse to, looked into, prevent from, chance in, faith in, satisfied with, confident of, in accordance with, on hearing, derogatory to. So I have given you 11 prepositions and gone with practicing more prepositions, how to use prepositions, go through the newspapers, go through the English storybooks and whatever you get, and there you will have to observe how the prepositions have been used. Thanking all of you. Good night. Stay safe, stay well. Like, comment, share and subscribe please. Thanking all.